My name is Dr. Kyle Murray. I am with Atlas Brain Spine in Upland, California, and we are a NUCCA chiropractic office, which is a specialty of upper cervical chiropractic, and I'm one of the doctors there. So I think personalized healthcare is essential overall because I think people are tired of going through that conveyor belt of what can be a hospital setting or a medical office. They're craving more of that personal need. With what we do with NUCCA, National Upper Cervical Chiropractic Association, it's inherently personalized because everything we do is tailored to uniquely the person. So every single person's correction vector is going to be different because every single person's anatomy is different. And our objective is obviously the same, to get the head and neck back over top of you so the body begins the healing process properly. But to do that is a unique path. So working with and customizing that to each person is really important. I can't just cookie cutter it because we need to know how to properly adjust you. It goes back to your unique anatomy, and it is so important that we are adjusting you properly, and we can't give the same person the same adjustment every single person that comes in. There's a really common theme in chiropractic, is the flying seven. And that means that there are 7 adjustments you're going to do. So the 2 sides on the neck, in the middle of the back, the lower back, flip them over to their side and adjust their pelvis. And it's just like a conveyor belt, right? So the same thing can happen in the medical profession too. But with what we're doing, we're really tailoring it to you. We're becoming the specialist for you in regard to the upper head and neck. And so we need to be very precise with how we deliver the adjustment. And so we can't just adjust everybody the same way because you're not going to get the same results. And then also listening to the patient and being able to build that interpersonal relationship as you have a great respect for this individual and you're building respect for themselves that is earned through that process, right? And so that trust is built. And so it's a trust of both parties. It's not just myself coming in and it's all on me. It's like we're walking the same road together. We're walking a journey together, and I'm partnering with you on this journey. And I'm happy to partner with you, right? That's why I'm doing this. I'm passionate about it. But if you are not going to put up the same amount of effort than I am, in terms of that, I'm going to give you my all in the office, you're going to continue to do the same things that got you into the office, then there's no point to continue to do this. So having that personalized care where we can be upfront and honest with each other and talk about, okay, this is what we're doing at home. This is what we need to change. This is what we need to improve on. Okay, this is what we're doing here. This is the adjustments that we've made based off your new films. This is what we've done based off your progress so far. And collaborating, I think that collaborative effort is really important for the patient's care.